Hey guys, we're in the sewers with Cartoonvr. I don't know where you went. I'm scared now. Banana Man, are you here? Banana Man?
I'm coming for you.
Where are you? Cameron? Oh, there you are.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, so as I was saying, we're in the thing with Cartoonvr, the sewers. Oh no.
Just on the RPG over there.
What? Suey. Oh. I can't see anything, bro.
Neither can I, my friend. Can't see a thing. Stupid. Nice. Alright.
Let's go.
I hit him. I hit him.
I died. Can you?
How dare you hurt my friend?
When
You don't
he's
do
through
that.
with you, you'll never fight
Take
your
that.
traffic light Bonnie.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at those cheeks. I saw your cheeks, buddy.
Quit looking at my cheeks, bro.
But they're just so missable. They're not missable. Oh. They're just so
Cheeks. My big
they're just
booty cheeks.
they're just not missable. I'm sorry.
I miss. Oh, get you. Oh, juke. Oh, juke.
Oh, get juked. Oh, get juked, brother.
No.
I think he's dead. What is that?
Juke. Oh,
What is that?
He just got juked. Oh my
What is that
god.
sound, bro?
Oh my god. He got juked. What is he doing?
Oh, by the way, dude, my VR
Oh my
is
god. Where's he going?
starting to get low.
Oh no, we're What the hell?
I don't like that. I'm staying up here. I'm staying up here.
Oh my god, Juke, where's he going? Oh my god.
Where's he going?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, come up to me. Come. Come up to me.
Bro, I do this stupidest crap for.
Are you coming back down? Hi.
I'm coming.
I think this kid's mad at me. Bobby, 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 Bobby. What are you doing, bro? What did you? Bobby, 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 Bobby.
He can't touch me. Yeah.
He touches people, right? Should we go?
No, Olivia.
Should we go?
Yeah. I think we should go.
Yeah.
My flashlight is down there. My pickaxe.
Okay, let's go.
Take that, you clanker.
That would be pretty funny if bro died.
Not again.
He's tweaking.
Hold on, I can take him. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did it.
Yo, I did it, bro. I have so much aura.
No, you don't, bro.
Dude, my aura is literally unmatched.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, I survived.
Hold up, how much battery life do I have left? Cartoon VR. My VR battery is kind of getting lower, but it didn't give me a warning yet.
What?
My battery's getting low, but it didn't give me a warning yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think we should go now. Like, out that way. Holy chew, bro.
Oh my gosh, you got stunned. I stunned him. Stupid. Oh shoot.
Look at that look at that young man down there. He's so beautiful. You're so beautiful, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Now give me your cheeks.
Yo.
Hiya.
Why'd bro say it like, yeah?
Frank, here. I pranked you.
What is this kid doing, bro?
Oh my god, he missed. He's so bad, bro. Oh my god.
I think he died.
No.
Okay, when you get back, we should probably go through that tunnel, like away. Are you dead or having a seizure?
Both.
You don't need a doctor then. Guys, I'm scared. I'm a goofy chicken banana chicken. Oh, there he is, the goofy chicken boy. There's the goofy chicken boy. Yay. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, where do we have to go now?
Fight bomb with bomb.
Where do we go now?
Hiya.
Your mom. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be a real man. I'm gonna be a real man. Bobby, 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 Bobby.
Hey.
I don't want to be a real man no more. I don't want to be. I don't want to be a real man no more. Oh no.
There we go.
Should we go this way?
Yes, we should.
Okay, let's go then.
Okay.
I don't want to get killed no more. So let's go.
I know it's scary, but I know we should do this.
Going down the hole. I was going
The
down this hole.
power of friendship.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this map. Oh no.
With the power of friendship, we can accomplish anything.
Hey, dude, my headset's getting lower.
Okay.
But where should we go now?
No.
Oh no, I missed the jump. I missed the jump. Bobby, 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 Bob.
Ouch, my balls.
No, that's my line.
What? Wait.
Here comes a scream. In 3, 2, 1. Cameron, here comes a scream. In 3, 2, 1. Backshots, backshots, backshots.
Alright.
Hold up, I gotta go do something real quick.
Don't get back shots.
I gotta do something real quick. Why you following me, man? I gotta take a dookie. My fart imploded his body.
Ew, what?
Now I gotta flush. I'm stuck in the toilet. Boppy boppy bop boppy bop boppy boppy bop boppy bop.
Hold on,
I'm stuck in the toilet.
Flush. Let me flush real quick.
Alright.
Red!
Hold up, let me just
The
Hold up,
toilet killed me!
Oh, but I'm gonna turn down my brightness just so.
Hi. Yeah. Love you too, bye. Oh, I gotta go.
Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Let's
Yeah.
play later.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.